Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TECHEDU-INFORMATION Knowledge is Life. In this video we are going to see how to install Dev-Cpp and how to set up graphics programs with the same. So let us begin. So for starting the installation we need to download Dev-Cpp version 5.11. So we can download it from this website that I have told here, or you can download it directly the software which is given in description box. In next step you need to do just double click on the setup of application file. So when you will double click, it will start setup loading. After that you will have to agree the license which is provided by Dev-Cpp. After that you need to next install the default features. Then you have to click on the install to accept the default installation location. Right now I am having C folder, so it is going to install in C drive. If you are having OS in another folder, there must be the destination folder. So after that click on install. Then you have to see the installation program will extract the necessary files, whether it is extracting or not. After that you have to complete the setup procedure by clicking on finish button. When you will click on finish button, you have to download the graphics header files and etc. stuff needed from the given description box. Extract the contents of the RAR file. You will be having this kind of extracted folder in which you are having these kind of 3 folders. In this 3 folder graphics in Dev-Cpp, you are necessary stuff is present there. So from which you have to carry on with the next steps, that is you have to go to the location where Dev-Cpp is installed and go inside the MinGW64 folder. Then you have to copy graphics.h and winbgim.h file and you need to paste it in the include folder, and which is situated at C program files Dev-Cpp MinGW8664 W64 MinGW32 and include. So in this folder you have to just paste those header files. After that you need to copy the libbgi.a file into the lib folder, which is just situated behind the below the include folder. The path will be C program files Dev-Cpp MinGW8664 8664 W64 MinGW32 lib folder. After that you have to go with copying the console app graphics.template and console app cpp graph.text file, and you need to paste it in template folder which is situated in Dev-Cpp template location. Just next you need to run your first program by clicking on open Dev-Cpp. Just need to click on file new project. After that when you will click on new project, you will get a new project pop-up window from which you have to select console graphics option. We are not going to click on it. After that you need to click the name which is required for your project and the language. Then you have to choose the empty project option given with project name and make sure the selected language is CPP. Then you have to go with the code which is written in editor window. Here is the circle drawing algorithm. Here is the circle drawing function used, in which graphics.h header file is added. Main method is declared. Then graphics driver graphics mode is defined as a variable one. Then graph is initialized with init graph function. Circle is drawn with the help of circle function with 3 parameters. first 300 and 300 will be the location of center and 50 will be the radius of that circle. So you need to write down this in editor window of Dev-Cpp. Just after that, you need to open project menu, from which project option you have to select, or instead of that you can just press ALT+P, so it will open the same. When you will have that window, you need to go parameters tab, in which linker field is there, and you have to copy paste the text which is provided here, and that is also provided in our description box. You can check it. After that, you have to click OK. Then you have to go with compile and run your project, and you will get the output like this.